All right, welcome to
Kids.
Craft Kids. This is our YouTube channel. We're starting with our first episode ever, and we like all things art and arts and crafts. This guy who's trying to climb the tables, he's not quite ready to draw with us or create with us, but his name's Odin. He just wants to go play, so we're gonna let him do that. He's gonna try to grab the camera because he's done it 3 times already. Can you go play, buddy?
Like 2. This is the
Okay, we find inspiration everywhere, and that's what we like to draw. That's what we like to draw from, including Odin. Stop going for the camera. Odin, stop going for the camera. The purpose of our channel is just to. Please don't do that, Odin. No. All right, we're back after a 3rd straight camera malfunction from Odin. That's okay. So again, we are here to basically just enjoy art. And we want everyone who comes to our channel to also enjoy art. So we seek inspiration, and we found some inspiration at Great Wolf Lodge this weekend, or earlier this week. And we got some characters while we were there. Show our characters.
I got Violet the wolf, and I got to dress her up at the Build-A-Bear workshop because they had this little shop area that is Build-A-Bear, and I got to dress her up and get accessories for her.
Good. And Landon, what'd you get? Wiley.
Wiley. I got Wiley.
What's Wiley dressed like?
A patriot.
We love the Patriots?
Mhm.
Yeah? Okay, so since we had to leave and we didn't want to, we decided today we were going to do some footprints. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a special little animation thing with those footprints. But first we'll just talk about how to draw a footprint, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Other people in the house... our mommy, of course, who maybe we can get her on camera later on, a couple episodes down the line, you think?
Yeah,
We'll try. All right, we're going to get underway. So, drawing paw prints today, how to make a paw print and then how to animate that paw print so it looks like it's walking away. Sound awesome, guys?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to have the paw prints kind of going across the page, getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay? So let's make a scene first. Okay, the first thing we want to do is make a scene. So we're going to do a hill, and we're going to have the first hill go like this. So just have it curve up. From the middle, curve up.
Can you help me? Can you make
And just do the best you can.
Do you do dots?
Just go in the middle, Land, the best you can, starting right there, and ending right there.
Shoot, I need a new Sharpie.
Okay. Yeah, make sure you have a fresh Sharpie.
No, not black like this.
There's no more black ones?
No, this one.
I'll use that one. That's fine. You use this one. So, Maddie, make your trace over your line. Good job. Just the best you can. It's perfect. Okay? Then we're going to go from the other direction, like an inch up the hill, and you go the other direction. And you're going to have that go like that. Sure. From that dot right there, buddy, all the way to there. Just kind of have it curve. Okay? Good. Good. And yeah, we'll put a moon in the sky, way over here. Just do like a banana moon.
Sure.
I'll show you what I mean here in a second, Land. Just a little banana moon. Okay?
Dot to dot.
And then if you just curve it, then you do the inside curve. Good. Good job.
It's
Good job,
a skinny
everyone.
one.
Good job.
It's a really
okay.
skinny
Now,
one.
I'm going to put a tree at the top of this hill. So it's one curve.
Can you do...
Anywhere there, anywhere in there, Landon's fine. We're going to have you try to do it without... That's perfect, buddy. Perfect.
Can I go all the way to the
Yep,
top?
all the way to the top.
Oh, wait.
Then you do, right next to it, you do another one. Curve it up. It's not going to be a full tree. It's just the trunk of the tree. Good. Then,
Can I get little?
you can if you want. I'm going to do a hollowed out spot
Oh, yeah.
in the middle of my tree.
Me too.
You can do one too. Good. And if you want to do some bark, I'm just going to do some bark lines.
I'm gonna do a little
It's
bit.
up to you. If you want to do bark lines, you can.
I'm
You
gonna
don't
do
have to.
I'm not gonna do
Okay,
popcorn.
you don't have to.
Is Maddie gonna do popcorn?
Maddie's gonna do a little bit of leaves on hers, which is awesome.
Can I draw a branch that I can color in?
You can do a branch if you want. Yeah, if you want to do a branch. Okay. So that's good for the background. Now in the bottom corner, we're gonna do.
We need some stars.
You want to do some stars? All right, let's do some stars. Do those. So it's
And then since
No,
it's
I
night,
know.
One.
It's a different way.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, it is?
1, 2, 3,
It's a different
4,
way.
5. I'm just gonna do like 3 stars in the night sky.
I'm gonna
Okay.
do how many are
At this top of the hill, I might do a wolf.
You can do a wolf if you want.
Ooh.
Dad's gonna start in on the footprints. Are you guys gonna start in on the footprints with me?
Maybe after I do my stars.
Yeah, do your stars first. We'll add the wolf later. How's that?
Okay.
Oh, cool, and
That-
those are cool stars. I like those too.
Oh, that's how
Those
I
are
do
cool.
my snowflakes, but I do them a little smaller than those big ones.
This one I'm gonna do small.
Hey, you want to sit back so the camera can see your drawing? Cool, good job. Good.
You did.
All right, cool. Now, what we have to do is we have to imagine that the wolf is going to be walking up this way. It's going to be walking up this way.
So up to 3.
So when we do our first footprint, okay, we're talking about a wolf, okay? So a wolf has 4 pads for the claws and 1 great big pad. So the bottom
You're drawing the
pad looks like that. It almost looks like a really wide
Can you
nose.
do dot to dot?
Almost looks like a really wide nose, bud.
Can you do dot to dot? Because I don't know how to draw noses. I only know how to draw a triangle sideways. That's how I know how to do this. Or dots.
Connect those dots.
Or we could do a big circle.
You could do circle too, sure. Good.
Got that.
That's great. Yeah, and then a wolf has 4 little ovals. 1, 2,
It's a,
3,
that's a big problem.
4. Yeah, the first one's big. They're gonna get smaller as they go. Okay.
Okay.
So
Can
do
you
your
do dot to dot?
Do you know how to do ovals, bud? You do your 4 ovals, okay?
Wait,
Can I start on the claws?
I don't know how to do oval.
I'll do
I
one
only
for
know
you.
how to do focus.
1. So do 3 more of those next to it. Okay? Good, bud. Good job, Mads. Good.
I'm not done.
All right, awesome. So then we put the claws on.
Yeah, I did those.
Triangles.
Oh, Maddie already did hers. So yeah, they're basically like little triangles, bud.
Can I just draw like triangles?
Do we color
Yeah,
in our
just do little
footprint?
triangles.
Just
We'll color them in later, okay?
Okay.
So my next print's gonna go here, and it's gonna go a little smaller, okay? A little bit smaller.
Can you do dot to dot again with the nose?
Sure. All right, and then while these guys are catching up, I'm just going to explain a little bit how this app works. You just go into your app store and get any stop motion animation app. They all work just about the same. I can show you how this works here. This app is super cool. It
Daddy,
shows you an outline of the
is
picture
this
you
what
just
you used?
took. That's the one, bud. It's close to something close to that. So if we wanted to line them up exactly, we would probably use a stand and just focus it in and make sure it's perfect.
Daddy, we got to
But since we're just clowning around and just doing a quick little animation. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we're gonna create a new project. And then basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure you have plenty of space. So we're gonna take these, and just get these out of the way for a second. Organize those afterwards, but you're going to take a picture of what you have, okay? I'm just gonna make sure that I have none of the table. I don't want any of the table. I just want it to be just my picture. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my first picture here, draw one more footprint each. Then we're gonna take pictures. Okay, Madeline, your first picture is gonna look like this. We have officially completed our animations. It took a bit longer than anticipated, as some of these projects do. So there they are. There's our completed pictures of our wolf paws leaving the den.
Hi guys, these are all drawings.
As we were getting ready for bed, our little brother came up and drew on our pictures. And also our dad did a really cool animation.
Just stick around to see it. Mine has footprints on it.
Alright, you can see here I have a little animation on loop. It's not a super realistic animation. Obviously, a wolf would not leave brown footprints. And it's clearly an invisible wolf, but it's a fun little animation.
If you liked our video, and the pictures that we drew, hit the like button.
And subscribe.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.